Using a SNAP EBT card at a grocery store is a straightforward process that allows eligible individuals to purchase food and other essential items with ease. To begin, make sure you have your SNAP EBT card and a valid form of identification with you when you go shopping. First, find a grocery store that accepts SNAP EBT cards. As not all stores participate in the program, most major grocery stores do accept SNAP EBT, but it is always a good idea to call ahead and confirm. Once you have found a participating store, you can start shopping for the items you need. When you are ready to check out, let the cashier know that you will be using your SNAP EBT card to pay for your groceries. They will then ask you to swipe your card and enter your PIN number to authenticate the transaction. Next, the cashier will separate the eligible food items from any non-eligible items, such as household supplies or personal care products. This is because SNAP EBT cards can only be used to purchase food and certain other essential items, such as seeds and plants for gardening. After the eligible items have been separated, the cashier will ring them up and subtract the total from your SNAP EBT account balance. You will then be responsible for paying for any non-eligible items using a different form of payment, such as cash or credit, to get the most out of your SNAP EBT benefits. It is a good idea to plan your shopping trip in advance and make a list of the items you need. You can also look for sales and discounts on the items you want to purchase, which can help stretch your benefits further. Additionally, many grocery stores offer special programs and discounts for SNAP EBT recipients, such as discounts on fresh produce or meat. Be sure to ask your local grocery store about any programs they may offer. By following these steps and being mindful of the eligible items and your account balance, you can use your SNAP EBT card with confidence and get the food and other essential items you need to thrive. Remember to always keep your SNAP EBT card and PIN number secure to prevent unauthorized transactions and protect your benefits.